Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing? Today we're going to be looking at the Lenovo Tab M Plus. This thing has a long name, so I always forget it before I say it. But I know it's the Lenovo Tab M Plus. Now this is the 10.3 inch model. You could see it has that all metal design, branding right at the top, headphone jack, your Type-C port at the bottom, speaker down below. You also do get this little mechanism for connecting it to other accessories, and that's pretty much it. Speakers are really loud. You get one at the top, one at the bottom. I definitely really love using this thin piece of metal with plastic as well. But let's go ahead and take a look at one of the cases that I did go ahead and drop for this device. Now it's really affordable, and it's one of my favorite looking cases. I bought one for my Samsung Tab. This is the composition one from Fenty. Now the other one had a keyboard case on it, so this one is just gonna be that you can see right here the case on here. So let me open this up. Looks just like a composition notebook from school. I used to have a ton of these things that I used to fill up with rhymes when I was in school because I was so bored in school. That's on another subject. But look, take a look at the inner portion of this case. You're getting that all soft suede material. This is really soft. Feels almost like a felt material or like a suede, like the Puma, the low top Pumas. It feels exactly like that suede material on the Pumas that I have, or I used to have. I don't rock them anymore, but you could see that there is a shell here as well. This is going to be the plastic hard part, so they did a really good job of combining materials with this one. Now you do see magnets right here, so when you close it, it's gonna stay closed for you as well. What else do we need to know? You get your not true cutouts, but a partial. You can see right here, it's gonna barely fill up the bottom, and then the top is also protected on all four corners. I'm gonna go ahead and pop each corner inside of the case. Let's give it a nice click. 1, 2, 3, and it's already in there. So has a nice feel to it. That actually closes in there really nicely, so it's automatically gonna stay on there. I'm also getting an update with this device as well. This must be my October security patch, but you can actually set it up like this, and let's see if we can prop it up like such. I'm trying to figure out how that you would do that. But you can prop this case up like so, like that. So it folds into like a little triangle right here, and then it gives you like a little stand right here. So that's pretty cool. Now it's a flimsy case. You can see it does move a lot right here, but you can, position that to an angle that is gonna be ideal. I still haven't found one that's ideal yet, but that's because I'm filming and I haven't really had a chance to play around with this thing. Let me pause it. Now, I don't really like the kickstand on here. It's really flimsy and it's just hard to find a good angle, but as far as protection goes, it's gonna be pretty sturdy. There we go, I finally got it to work. So you could get it to stand just like this. Oh wait, that fell down. So the angles are tricky. You have to like put it at the exact angle. And this thing is really like malleable. You could put it at almost any angle here. I'm sure there's a lot of different angles you could put it at. I just haven't mastered them all, but I definitely think this is a cool case for the Lenovo Tab A. You can see right here, we get Wi-Fi right out the gun. Let me enter my pin, and let's just check this out. So right when I unlock it, that's when my Wi-Fi goes away. It kind of sucked. But let's just go ahead and take a look at this device as far as these security update. I'll update you guys on another video with that one. but there is a security update for this device. So looking at the cutouts, you can see that at the bottom, it's guarded by this hard plastic material. Now on this edge, it's probably gonna, I don't know if this bumper will stop that, but these bumpers don't offer that much lip protection, but they do have some slight lip protection on them. We have an update here. Android. I hope this is the Android 10. If this is Android 10, that would be really cool. But it says we have a current version of the new software and it's checking for updates right now. So this is for bugs and things of that nature. A firmware upgrade. Update that later. Let me know what you guys think about the Lenovo Tab M Plus. Thank you guys for staying with me. But as always, I'll get right back with you. Peace.